Welcome back to Decorio Studio, your ultimate destination for sophisticated home decor and interior design inspirations. Today we are exploring the intersection of rustic nature and refined luxury with our guide on crafting high-end Easter wreaths. We will show you how to blend foraged birch twigs with delicate silk accents to create a stunning Nordic aesthetic for your home. Before we dive into these elegant designs, please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more creative ideas. The secret to a high-end Nordic wreath begins with the selection of supple, silvery birch branches. We carefully intertwine these foraged limbs to create a thick, architectural base that feels organic yet structured. The natural texture of the bark provides a rugged contrast to the soft embellishments we will add later. This foundational step ensures your wreath has the volume and presence required for a luxury statement piece. To elevate the rustic birch, we tuck oversized silk peonies into the woven branches for a touch of spring opulence. These high-quality faux blooms offer a permanent softness that real flowers cannot maintain throughout the holiday season. We recommend choosing muted pastel tones like champagne or dusty rose to maintain that signature Nordic palette. This combination of rough wood and silky petals creates a sophisticated visual balance. A truly high-end wreath is defined by its finishing touches, specifically long flowing silk ribbons in earthy tones. These ribbons should drape elegantly from the bottom of the birch frame to add movement and height to your display. By choosing hand-dyed silk, you introduce a subtle sheen that catches the light beautifully in an entryway. The movement of the fabric mimics the gentle breeze of a Scandinavian spring morning. Incorporate the essence of Easter by subtly nestling hand-painted quail eggs within the birch thickets. We use a minimalist approach, opting for natural speckles rather than bright dyes to keep the design refined. These small details invite closer inspection and add a layer of narrative to your foraging-inspired creation. Ensuring they are secured with hidden wire keeps the composition looking professional and polished. To ground the design in the forest aesthetic, we press clumps of preserved reindeer moss into the crevices of the birch. This adds a pop of verdant color that complements the neutral wood and soft silk elements perfectly. The moss acts as a bridge between the wild foraged branches and the curated decorative pieces. It provides a lush, tactile quality that makes the wreath feel like a living piece of art. Introduce a sense of lightness by adding delicate, ethically sourced feathers among the silk flowers. These ethereal accents reference the traditional Swedish passkries, while maintaining a modern, high-end feel. The soft textures of the feathers play against the rigid birch twigs to create a multi-dimensional look. This subtle nod to tradition keeps your decor grounded in cultural heritage with a contemporary twist. For the ultimate minimalist statement, we design a wreath using only white silk blossoms and bleached birch twigs. This monochromatic approach emphasizes form and texture over color, fitting perfectly into a modern interior. The result is a clean, ethereal piece that feels both festive and timelessly chic. It serves as a striking focal point against dark tone doors or neutral gallery walls. We weave ultrafine copper LED strings through the birch base to give the wreath a magical evening glow. The tiny lights disappear during the day but transform the silk and wood into a shimmering masterpiece at night. This technical addition ensures your decor remains impactful regardless of the lighting conditions in your home. It adds a layer of warmth that is essential for the cozy Nordic hygge atmosphere. Mixing silk flowers with sage-colored velvet leaves adds a heavy, luxurious weight to the floral arrangement. The matte finish of the velvet absorbs light, providing a deep contrast to the shimmering silk petals. This play on materials is a hallmark of high-end interior design and adds sophistication to your Easter theme. Layering these different textiles makes the wreath look far more expensive and custom-made. Adding small, polished birchwood slices to the design introduces a geometric element to the wild foraged shape. These discs act as modern ornaments, contrasting the organic curves of the twigs with sharp, clean lines. You can leave them natural or gild the edges with gold leaf for an extra touch of luxury. This fusion of raw nature and crafted precision defines the elevated Nordic style. By blending dried eucalyptus with silk foliage, we introduce a wonderful scent and a unique silvery green hue. The structured leaves of the eucalyptus provide a sturdy backdrop for the more delicate silk elements. This pairing ensures the wreath looks full and lush from every possible viewing angle. It bridges the gap between traditional Easter motifs and year-round botanical elegance. Rather than a uniform circle, we concentrate the silk embellishments on one side of the birch frame. This asymmetrical layout is a staple of high-end floral design, offering a more modern and artistic silhouette. It allows the natural beauty of the foraged birch to be celebrated on its own on the opposing side. This deliberate imbalance creates a dynamic piece that feels curated rather than manufactured. A light dusting of metallic gold paint on the tips of the birch twigs adds a regal shimmer to the wreath. This technique highlights the intricate texture of the wood, without overwhelming the natural foraging theme. The gold reflects the light from the silk ribbons, tying the whole high-end look together. It transforms a simple forest find into a piece of luxury holiday jewelry for your home. Finalize your display by hanging the finished wreath using a thick silk sash that matches your floral accents. This method of hanging is far more elegant than a standard metal hook and completes the high-end presentation. Your home is now ready to welcome the spring season with authentic Nordic charm and sophisticated style. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial, so please comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more.